Well, I think I found all the rubber pipes, but hoses, but it's really hard to get.
What do you use to clean them?
Just warm water and a little bit of dish soap to try to cut some of the grease, but I think I got most of the stuff off, but it's here where there's mud and grease kind of just stuck together. It's really hard.
You put the tires, will they actually stay?
Well, one will. I couldn't get them both up underneath the car on top of each other. There's not enough room. Thanks for coming.
The car shouldn't be going anywhere.
The car shouldn't be going anywhere, but thanks for coming to check on me. Okay, Bart, I think I did what you wanted me to do. In my opinion, and it's not a very educated one, I think all these rubber hoses, the brake lines, I guess you'd call them, look suspiciously new. So I leave it to our ace mechanic to decide whether we're going to have to do some more work or not. But at least I think now they're clean enough so that the expert can get in and make a good diagnosis. So my work here is finished, I think.